In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to save project in CapCut PC. Begin by launching the CapCut app. Once inside, click on New Project, followed by Import, and select the videos you wish to work with from your files. After clicking Open, simply drag the video into the workspace. Here, you'll notice various editing options such as crop, delete, and split. To proceed, make the desired edits such as removing scenes using the split feature. Then, navigate to the menu and return to the home page. Note that the home page automatically saves your previous work. If you start a new project and go to the home page immediately, it will also save without any files. To remove an empty project, and select Delete and hit OK. Now, open a project and you'll notice that the small edits you made are still there since CapCut saves automatically to create a new project. Go to the menu, move the cursor to the files, and select New Project. Hit OK, and you'll see another empty project from your previous session. Delete these two projects by holding the left click and selecting the delete icon. Next, import another project, and for an experiment, exit the app entirely. Upon reopening CapCut, you'll observe that it automatically saves your work, showcasing the app's feature of seamless automatic saving without any additional steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.